friends, I'm going to explain how by clearing our past karmas through forgiveness, we can lead the life of happiness. I'll use some drama and narration to make this concept clear to you. I hate you. I can never forgive you. You have always insulted me, humiliated me. You have ruined my life. Oh, Supreme Spirit, tell me, why is this person so unreasonable to me? Thank you, universe. I have got the answer. I have got the golden key by which I can open the floodgates of happiness. Have you heard of the theory of transmigration of soul mentioned in Bhagavad Gita? It says that our soul is immortal. It keeps on changing bodies. So we have taken many births and we have lived many lives. Now I take you to a chemistry classroom. The teacher brings a jar of dirty green water. Then he brings another jar of yellow water. He pours it into green water. Miraculously, dirty water becomes crystal clear and pure. When we are born on this earth, we bring the baggage of past karmas like that dirty green water. Now there are two methods of clearing these karmas. One is the shortcut method adopted by the teacher, in which all our karmas are cleared in this lifetime in one go. And we can lead the life of peace. The other method is the long method of suffering, in which we take many births, and in each birth a little bit of karmas are cleared. I'll explain it with the help of a story. There lived a carpenter named David. He was blessed with a son. He named him Daniel. His greatest ambition in life was to make his son a great carpenter. But as the son grew up, he realized that he had no interest in carpentry. So he declared one day, I don't want to become a carpenter. That was like a bombshell for David. His lifelong ambition was shattered. When son was 19 years old, he left home. Hatred and anger developed between the son and the father. Then son got married and was blessed with a daughter. When David was on his deathbed, he sent a message to his son, I want to see my granddaughter. The reply came, stay away from me. You would have ruined my life. I'm glad that you are dying. When the son was in his 80s, he died and went to the astral world where only souls live. There he met David. They hugged each other. David said, oh, my best friend Daniel, how beautifully we played our role on the earth. Not for a minute the veil was lifted. If in his lifetime David had realized that it was he who had told his best friend Daniel to come and a son and torture him because he wanted to clear his karmas, he would have come out of his hatred and they would have led the life of peace and harmony. Just imagine if this shift in consciousness takes place, every heart will be flooded with joy and happiness. Heaven itself will descend on the earth.
ओए दिवाली आ रही है। मेरा टॉपिक है कि सारे मेरे मित्र जो हैं, सारे दोस्त, सारे मुझे सोन पापड़ी दे जाते हैं, तो मेरे पास 20 डब्बे इकट्ठे हो जाते हैं सोन पापड़ी के। वो दिवाली आ रही है, सबको गिफ्ट देना है और गिफ्ट भी जो उसके स्टेटस के हिसाब से देना है। किसी को ड्राई फ्रूट्स अपने बॉसेस को और किसी फ्रेंड्स को जो जवाई को भी अच्छे ड्राई फ्रूट देने हैं, सब कुछ देना है और बजट इतना है, तो ठीक है मैनेज कर लूंगा, ठीक है। अब सबको मैंने गिफ्ट दे दिए, अब सब मेरे पास फ्रेंड्स सारे आइए, आओ जी आओ, की आ रहे सब तुहानू भी मुबारक हो दिवाली दी, आओ जी आओ। और चंगा जी थैंक यू, इहदी की जरूरत ही नहीं सी, तुसी आंदे ने प्यार करदे, बस जप्पी पांदे, बस ओके थैंक यू। आप चाय पानी नहीं जी, ठीक है मैनू पता है तुहानू जाना है, दूसरे नू भी देने, चलो ठीक है, ओके। अच्छा आओ जी, तुसी भी आओ। ओ ठीक है, एक ही डब्बा, डब्बे इकट्ठे हो गए। हुण की करांगा मैं इन्हें सोन पापड़ी दा। मैं वैसे भी शुगर दा पेशेंट, मैं खा नहीं सकता, तो मैं ये सोन पापड़ी सबनों किन्ना नूं दियांगा। अपने जड़े स्टेटस वाले उन्होंने तो दे नहीं सकता। हुण मैं हुण पिता की करा, मैं हुण मैं सेल लाना, मैं सेल लाना, इन्हू सेल है 50% में सेल कर। आ जाओ जी सोन पापड़ी, मैं अपनी शक्ल बदल लेना ते अपनी धोती पहन के फिर मैं सोन पापड़ी का मैं बाजार ला लेता। आओ जी आओ। ओ फिर मेरी इन्नी बिक्री हो गई, वो कर्नल साहब सोन पापड़ी बेच रहे ते फिर मैं जेड़ा ना फिर उनका रेट बढ़ा दिता ते मैनू 10,000 का प्रॉफिट हो गया सोन पापड़ी बेच के। तो मेरी दिवाली फ्री हो गई। ते मैं फिर जी वाइफ नू लेके फिर मैं घूमदा 5 स्टार होटल गया जी। बड़ी ऐश कती मैंने, सोन पापड़ी का लाजवाब नहीं, बड़े मैं बड़ा याद रहेगा मैनू। ये तो फिर अगली बारी भी वो यही कर, मैं उम्मीद करदा। ते मैं बहुत खुश हूं, मैं बहुत भंगड़े पाए, असी भी डांस दे चंगे, ते फिर असी सोन पापड़ी भी खा लीती जोश नाल, सारी हजम हो गई। थैंक यू।
Topic is kite. I'm a kite. You know, something interesting happened when I was manufactured. All my other sisters were taken over by boys. But, you know, I knew that I had something special. A floating sensation came. I went up and up and up. Oh, I'm beyond the clouds now. Oh, celestial bodies are moving around me. I can see the planets around me. Oh, there is a beautiful transparent palace. I enter that. My God, there are beautiful, lovely angels around me. They kiss me. They dance with me. Golden light fell on me. I have now the superpower. I come down. And now, whenever somebody flies me, my God, I can go anywhere. Whenever there is drought, there is famine, I can bring rain. I have the superpowers. I have the supernatural powers of the universe. You know, when tsunami came, I was there, and that is how I brought relief to the people wherever floods are there. Now there has been a prize on me. Tourists come from other countries to fly me, and you know, 10,000 rupees they pay for one-time fly of me. And you know, Modi has given me a special place, and now our government is earning a lot of foreign exchange because of me. Unity of peace does not have as much of power as I have. Thank you.